What is going on, YouTube? Long time no see. What's going on? Hold on. So, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to Life a Day, man. Today is another car event. Let's see which one I'm gonna be in. Is it gonna be the Q50? Nah, I think we putting her up today. We got beauties today. Look at this. Let's see if you can guess what car I'm about to be in. Look at this beauty. What year is this?
86.
86 Porsche. It's not a 911, isn't it? Carrera.
This is not gonna get the tank.
This man kind of look like a real race car driver and stuff with the gloves on. You just need the dad hat, bro. The driver hat, you know what they're talking about?
Oh, the English hat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say I got mojo. Say I got mojo. Say I got mojo. I'm pulling all these women. Designer on my logo. Shawty think I make it killing. Pull up in that photo window. Smoky glasses tinted. Shawty take a photo with the gang. She think she in it. Yeah. Whoa. Day, so feel the vibe, yeah. Feel the vibe, yeah. Struggling up off these sides, yeah. Feeling me like a new vibe, yeah. Smelling real good, that's the vibe, ayy. I'm in the web with no top, ooh. Feeling the one while I vibe, ayy. Shawty be right on the side, ayy. Definition by the die, I can never switch sides, no. In my lane at all times, whoa. I remember they watch, oh. Standing distance like shots, oh. I be chillin', they pop, oh. Busy feeling they cop, ayy. I be cool with no cap, ayy.
There's raffle tickets there as well.
My tax had it.
They are 3 for 5, and there's only one. You can buy like one for $2.
Yeah, day, so
Yeah, that's one too.
Alright, so this car right here, 1949, right? Dodge. So he's that way. So we just got word, right? So this has no turn signals on this. And there's no roll-up windows. So you had to put the windows in personally. So that was considered a summer car. You gotta be rich to have that. You had a summer car where you only drive when the top down was. That's crazy. This is a baby seat. What? And then the pregnant woman gets in and out by this steering wheel pulled up and down. Wow. What year was this one?
1917. Don't go from here.
1917. Sheesh.
Where's the baby seat? Like, oh, there it is.
No seatbelt. Like that wasn't gonna do anything. I ain't showing myself this whole video, so let's do that now. Yo, look at the gold wheels. Wait, whose is this? 1956 S Roto. Imagine, I was about to say, imagine trying to fellow park that.
Oh, you showed it? Hey, Dave, put your pants on. You know, you can't take the kids anywhere. Everywhere he goes, he takes his pants out to measure things.
1999 Mustang.
Bristol, not the Colt. I know. Not for
Hi, fellas. You're looking at a Chrysler Firepower engine, the latest thing in V-type overhead valve engines. And even if you're not working in a Chrysler dealership, I'm sure you want to know all about the Firepower engine. And of course, you never can tell when a Chrysler owner is going to come in and call on you for help. You'll want to be able to take care of it. Now,
What is this, 007?
sat in the back part, back of the Firepower. Michael will leave on Thursday night. She was coming to work on Friday. He switched the cars. Yeah. No one was going to tell your mom no. Yeah, they're slider for the weekend. Yeah.
We tried to change the You ever try to change your grade on your report card or change your grade on the test and it's like, ends up looking like that?
This is the first Alfa Romeo? Alfa Romeo. This was a Hemi in there? No, it's a 4-cylinder. Ooh. Future. No lie.
The driver could see it right there.
What? So you can see it.
Wait, is our son lost? My son lost? Oh shit, have you seen this?
Back to the Future. Yo, that
Volvo, right? It's a Volvo powertrain.
ooh, that interior look crazy.
The whole drivetrain is correct. At least RPG.
Yo, people actually drove these cars?
I think the engines are now, I think, yeah.
I can't believe people actually drove these cars. Especially this. Like, I would love to drive it, but I never really see anybody throw the doors up in this.
This is crazy. This is 500 miles.
Really?
And there's no clear coat on it.
Wow.
I wonder why they always jump there.
So, as you see, man, it's your boy Dave. Thank you for checking in and tuning in to the Life of Day. You know what I'm saying? We got more vlogs coming. Thank you for your patience, and I'll see you on the next vlog.